Hello everyone, welcome back to GuideUp. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create your VSCO account. VSCO is used for many good editing purposes for photos and videos. Now, to create your VSCO account, make sure you already have the application on your phone device. Here you can see two options, login or sign up. If you already have your VSCO account, you can simply tap on login and continue further. But for this video, we are about to create an account, so we will tap on sign up. You can now see there are various options to sign up your VSCO account. If you are an Apple user, you can sign up with Apple. Other options are to sign up with Google or sign up with Snapchat. For this video, we will sign up with Google. You can now see this option. You have to simply tap on continue. We need to again fill out some quick details, that is your username, likewise your birthday. Firstly, enter your username. After you are done providing your information, you can simply tap on continue. You can now see that your VSCO account has been created. Now you can start editing your photos and videos. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel GuideUp. Thank you.